Yo, what's up, man? Why don't you show us how it's done?
With a smile at you while I cut tomatoes.
Let's see how easy this is.
His hair's not done up yet, so...
Oh, it's done. It's just short.
Wait, didn't you just get a cut? Was it that short when you walked in yesterday to get a cut?
Yeah.
It wasn't German enough.
Are you shooting a video right now?
Yes, of course I'm shooting a video right now. That's for my dad. Say hi. Graham, say hi.
Hey, how you doing?
This is getting sent to Russia.
Alright.
Something Russian? Здравствуйте. Hey, hold on, say it. Say it again. Very good. Very good. So what, Arthur? This cuts down our prep time by what? Like an hour? 2? Look how easy. Look how easy. Perfect. You're the man.